Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove the front headlight on a Hyundai Accent 4th generation. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, open the hood. At the top of the front bumper, you'll find 4 mounting bolts. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove all 4 bolts. Next, turn the steering wheel either left or right, depending on which side you're working on. This will give you easier access to the bumper fasteners near the front fender. Now, remove the bolt that secures the bumper to the fender. Repeat this step on both sides of the vehicle. After that, move to the wheel well area. Under the fender liner, you'll find a couple of retaining clips that also need to be removed. Once all the fasteners and clips are out, gently pull the bumper outward. It should release from the side clips without too much force. Carefully unclip both sides and pull the bumper forward to create enough space to access the headlight mounting bolts. Now you can see the headlight fasteners. The headlight is secured by 3 bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom, and one on the side. Remove all 3 bolts. Before removing the headlight completely, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the headlight assembly. Once the connectors are unplugged, simply pull the headlight out of its mounting position. And that's it! That's how you remove the front headlight on a Hyundai Accent 4th generation quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more Hyundai Accent repair and removal tutorials. Thanks for watching.